Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic glow effects in CapCut. So you can start by adding your clips, and then first you can go to filter and find the tolerances filter in here. So I'm going to just click on the search column and find the filter tolerances, this one, and adjust it to 100. Okay, click on the check icon and now add the second filter. The second filter is the open Imer filter. You can find it under the movies category. Find the this one, Oppenheimer, and set it to around 60. Click on the check icon, and the third filter that you can add is the freedom filter. So I'm going to just use the search column again, freedom, and for the freedom, adjust it to 100. Okay, click on the check icon, and now you can go to the video effects and add the edge glow effect. So find it under the lens category, and then here just scroll down until you find the edge glow, this one, and adjust the glow to around 69. Okay, click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the line to match with your clips. And then lastly, you can go click on your video and find adjust, and adjust the brightness of the video into 10, and the shadow also 10, and you are done. So this is the cinematic glow effect. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.